Okay, so once you opt in and you click the link below, that's going to take you to the website, and you want to make sure that either my name, if you're joining under me, or whoever your sponsor's name is up here, because you have to have a sponsor to join and get your free account. Okay, so as long as that's all cool, then you just click on here, register now. Okay, and then just complete again. You should see my name or your sponsor's name there, and then just click your link, fill out all this info, okay? And then once you've done that, you just go to members, and then you put in your name and password and log in, okay? And then what you want to do, if you want to become an affiliate, right, then, or, pro member, then you just go up here to upgrade. And it's $30 a month, and that includes everything, right? So everything you see here, you're going to get your own website, all the promo pages, all of that. Plus they follow up your leads with emails. Okay, so literally all you have to do now after you've upgraded is go to tools, click on promotional center. Okay, and then these are, you want to send people to one of the lead capture pages. Okay, so there is 9 so far, like here, but because like they just launched in January, so new stuff's coming all the time. Okay, just pick whichever one you prefer. I usually use this one, although I do my own as well, but this is what I like the best. And if you have a website, you can also just grab these banner links, and you see your whatever username you want to use, that'll be already embedded in there. Okay, so you just copy and embed that into your website. But for simplicity's sake, especially for newbies, then yeah, you just want to send them to one of these pages. Okay, so what I mean by send people, we call that traffic. And on my bonus page, so once you upgrade, I do give you some free gifts just for joining my email list, right? Okay, but once you've upgraded to pro, or as an affiliate, business associate, whatever you want to call it, you're going to get all of this training as well for free from me, okay? Including the PowerPoint presentation, as well as 11 done for you emails that I've written. But like I said, the easiest way is just let the company do that for you, okay? So lots and lots and lots of social media training, because traffic is the number one thing. You've got the business, you've got your 4 income streams coming in. So literally all you have to do is driving traffic. So all of this is going to help you. Plus, I've also included like a whole page of free and paid traffic resources. Pretty much all have videos right now to show you how they work. Okay, so this is what you got to concentrate on, is traffic. You can use Facebook groups, TikTok, YouTube, whatever you want. Okay, I would stick to 1 or 2 at first, and then broaden your traffic range. The more traffic you got coming in, the more people you'll get that will join under you, which means money in your pocket. Okay, now I do have to add that June 1st, 2022, the price of the affiliate program or the business associate program or pro, whatever, is going up to $39.95 a month, but you will get $25 coupon towards the organic products every single month. Okay, so still $40 for your own online business is pretty easy if you ask me. Okay, and then to see all the products you get, you just click on shop, go down here, discounted wholesale. And even as a free member, if you get the monthly recurring, you'll save 20% off already our super low prices. And as a pro member, if you order a certain amount, I think it's either $200 or $250, you're going to get 40% off. So like, look at these prices. So this is what I'm saying. Even as a free member, if you get the monthly, you'll get 20% off. Okay, and we have at the moment 38 products. They're all organic, all made in FDA approved facilities, and third tested, kosher, and all organic. All right, and then you just click on one and you'd see more details about each product. So we have them for like weight loss and skincare and all, immunity, all sorts. And we're adding new products all the time, plus an essential oil line is coming soon. Okay, so I hope you understand how easy this is and what you have to do. And also on my bonus page, I again break down the steps that you need to do right here. And then we also have 90-Day Challenge Pro training every Monday night, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, so this is what we're calling also 10 weeks to 5K or the 90-Day Challenge. Kind of go between both, back and forth. Okay, and these are live Zoom calls that you can jump on and ask your questions and things like that. Okay, have a look at my other Healthy New Living videos for the whole kind of presentation and how I break down how you make money through the 4 income streams. Okay, so yeah, you get a little description. You can do the one-time purchase, or like I said, the monthly. Then it's only $16. I mean, for facelift cream, are you crazy? That is a ridiculous price. Okay, so you can see, and then there's like related products. And of course, you can also check out our testimonials as well on the homepage. You can always contact me once you join. Just reply to any of my emails and I'll get back to you and help you out. Okay, so I hope that shows you, the first steps you have to do to join Healthy New Living. All right, have yourself an awesome day and see you in the next video. Cheers.